From RFIs and submittals to forms and checklists and reports of all kinds, Contractor Foreman makes your life easy. Here are just a few examples of the many ways Contractor Foreman can help. Markup, save, and even share photos and documents. And by enabling the client portal, you'll be able to select which files and photos you share with your clients at the click of a button. With our document management feature, you can make what might be a nightmare go away. Imagine, if you will, a system so smart it builds your file folder structure for you. And you can have even more flexibility by creating custom folders. Do you have a form that works well for your company? Great! Use it with Contractor Foreman, or use one of our over 50 pre-built customizable forms. With our easy-to-learn and use custom forms, what you need is done in minutes. Start with one of our examples and revise it to meet your needs, or create your own from scratch. Marking up your drawings and PDFs just got simple. With our red line markups feature, you can avoid confusion by drawing directly on the plan. Easily use our redline tool to highlight areas in the drawings. You can annotate and mark up plans, drawings, and other PDFs. With our plan measurements feature, you can stop guessing and start knowing. In just a matter of minutes, you can determine the square footage, distance, or area. No longer do you need to export them to another system or print them to get accurate readings. Adjust the scale and select the measurement tool, and bam, you've got your numbers for each room. Use the annotations and comments feature to clearly communicate the point you are making. As you know, clear communication is critical in the construction industry, or else it will cost you a lot of time and money. With this feature, you can easily add comments and annotations so that others can review your comments and add their replies. No longer do you have to match the comment up to the specific place in the plan being discussed. Keep your RFI and correspondence logs all in one easy spot. Unfortunately, in today's world, you have to document everything. We give you the ability to do just that easily. Send notices, whether it's an RFI, schedule notice, or compliance notice, right from the app or website. Boom, it's done, and it's documented the right way. Is a sub constantly causing delays? Our compliance tracking feature allows you to quickly identify areas that need improvement. With Contractor Foreman, your submittals will be fully automated and electronic. We make it easy for you to quickly generate submittals to get approval so that you can stay on track with getting items approved and installed. Not only do we let you get approval through email, but it is loved by architects and engineers. With Contractor Foreman, you can stay informed before it's too late with our pre-built, pre-formatted reports. There are too many to list here, but we will mention a few to give you the general idea of how extensive the library is. One very popular type of report is our time cards report. Do you know how much time was spent per project, per employee, per cost code? You will when you use our reports. Grouping and sorting and calculating your labor has never been easier. No matter if you use the weekly sheet, crew card, crew sheet, or the employee time card, it all gets shown on the report and calculated into your job costing numbers. Additionally, we also have many pre-built reports in the following categories: accounts payable, financial reports, profit and loss statements, job costing reports, work in progress reports, labor and material tracking, budget versus actual, accounts receivable, sales management, and many more. Contractor Foreman makes it easy for you to track and retrieve the data you need for your vehicles and equipment items. Did it get an oil change? Does it need a tire rotation? How many miles or hours were put on it last week? Is maintenance required? Where is a piece of equipment? All of these questions and more are automated with our equipment and vehicle logs. Sloppy contractors and documents are gone with the wind. Generate custom documents with merged fields that pull from your contacts, contractors, project details, and more. It's like mail merge, but much easier and saves a lot of time. With our extensive library of pre-built documents and features, we think you'll agree that Contractor Foreman will save you tons of time in the way you create, manage, maintain, and share the documents. Remember, the better you manage your documentation, the stronger is your defense against a wrongful claim, and the better you'll sleep at night.